Austria is a tourist paradise because there are so many things to do. This time we decided to visit a couple of things closer to home, but for that we had to reach Salzburg in the first place.
He's mocking me. Hello. Hello. Do I look acceptable? I don't like my hair. The boyfriend, as usual, who doesn't want to speak but wants to appear somewhere in the videos. So today we are visiting salt mines in Salzburg. We came to the train station and we need to take another train to Hallein and a bus to where?
Bad Dürnberg.
Yes, that's what he said. And from there it should be how many minutes or
Yes.
how many minutes from that place that you said?
I don't know.
But you've been there
100 years ago.
100 years ago. Okay, so hopefully it's not that far away from the station.
The bus stop is next to the thing.
Okay, the bus stop is next to the thing. It's the most important information here. We booked tickets online, I booked tickets online. They were a bit expensive, I think like 36 or like above 30, under 40 euros per person. And you should book a time slot as usual. And there must be some kind of tour or excursion as I understood, so you need to be on time. And it says it's like 10 degrees there and outside it's like, I don't know, 30, like 20-ish something. So we have like warm stuff and other stuff. He doesn't have any stuff. Why am I carrying all this stuff?
We had a short train ride ahead, followed by a bus ride to the venue. If you feel motivated, you can also hike there. It should take about an hour. And we finally reached the salt mine. You can buy tickets right away there. There is also a parking lot in front of the reception, but it tends to fill up relatively fast. You can read some comics and information stands before your time slot. After that, you'll be invited to a small cinema to watch a movie about salt and specifically salt in the mountains. Before entering the mine, everybody got protection clothes. It's advisable to wear a jumper at least, because it really gets chilly inside. And after all these steps, we are ready to go. One of the most exciting parts of the tour was the train ride inside the mine. There also will be films demonstrating different processes about salt extraction, geology, and so on.
St. Stephen's Cathedral in Vienna is 136 meters high. There, it is processed to create highly purified salt products.
Fun fact, there is a section of the Austria-Germany border that runs through a salt mine.
A new method of leaching became established. It hugely simplified the work of the miners while still increasing productivity.
Another cool activity that you can take part in is riding down wooden slides used by miners. We had to do it 2 times during the tour. Our next activity was a boat ride across the illuminated saltwater lake.
Bitte sehr.
And of course, tasting. I mean, the salt will be salty in any case, but you can taste raw salt from the mine walls or salt deposits. This gives a direct sense of how pure natural salt tastes before any refining or processing, and on top of that, it's completely plastic free. And there are also different grades of salt, so you can taste and compare. Of course, you can buy it in the shop afterwards. They also have souvenirs like stones or salt lamps.
So we survived the salty experience. It was actually pretty nice, totally worth the money. It's a little bit more than an hour, I think, like 90 minutes or something, the whole tour. And you have your own tour guide, and you will slide, and you will ride, and you will, I don't know, walk. So really a lot of stuff.
After visiting the mine, you can go to the Celtic Mountain. Normally it will be included in your ticket price. That's because the mine dates back to the Celtic period over 2,500 years ago. Celts used the mine to extract salt and developed complex mining techniques. Despite a small drizzle, we decided to take a hike back to Hallein. There is even a waterfall at some point, so make sure to stop by for some cool pictures. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up.